What if I told you there's a pattern hiding in plain sight on every chart you trade? 5 candles, 1 pullback, 1 entry. That's it. Today, I'm showing you a momentum continuation strategy that works on 1-minute candles. No complicated indicators, no confusing filters, just price action and patience. Stick with me till the end, because I'll walk you through the exact entry rules, real examples, and the psychology behind why this pattern works. Let's get into it. But before we go ahead, listen carefully. Trading binary options and Forex carries significant risk. You can lose your entire investment. This strategy is for educational purposes only. It's not financial advice. What works in these examples may not work in live market conditions. Never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Practice on demo accounts first. Test this strategy thoroughly before going live. And remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. All right, so here's how this works. Step 1. You're watching for 5 or more consecutive candles of the same color. That tells you momentum is building in one direction. Step 2. Wait for a single opposing candle. This is your pullback, not a reversal, just a breather in the trend. Step 3. The very next candle is your entry. If 5 bullish candles were followed by 1 bearish candle, you take a buy on the next candle. If 5 bearish candles were followed by 1 bullish candle, you take a sell. Time frame? 1 minute. Expiry? 1 minute. Simple. Now here's the logic behind it. This strategy relies on the idea that strong momentum doesn't die after one pullback. It continues. You're not chasing the trend, you're joining it after it shows you confirmation. Does this work every single time? No strategy does. But when the setup is clean, and you follow the rules exactly, this gives you a clear, repeatable edge. And before we jump into the live charts, I've put together a free PDF guide with the complete buy checklist, sell checklist, and a quick reference entry card you can print out and keep next to your screen. Links in the description below. Grab it now so you can follow along with the examples. All right, now let me show you what this looks like on the chart. I'm going to walk through a few real setups, some winners, and yes, some losers too, because that's how trading actually works. Pay close attention to the candlestick count and the pullback candle. That's where most mistakes happen. All right, look at this setup right here. We've got exactly what we're looking for. 5 strong bullish candles in a row, building momentum to the upside. You can see them stacking one after another, each one pushing price higher. Now watch what happens next. 1 red candle forms. That's our pullback. This is not a reversal. This is just the market catching its breath. The trend is still bullish, but we need this opposing candle to confirm we're not just randomly entering. The rules say, after 5 or more bullish candles, wait for 1 bearish candle, then enter buy on the very next candle. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. 2 trades placed, both buy, both 1-minute expiry. Entry is locked in. Now we wait for the next candle to form. Let's see if the momentum continues. And there it is. The entry candle is forming, and it's white. Bullish. The trend is continuing exactly as expected. This is the confirmation we were waiting for. Notice how clean this is. No hesitation, no mixed signals. The pullback was sharp but shallow, and now price is already pushing back up. That's textbook momentum continuation. The market retraced just enough to shake out weak hands, and now the buyers are back in control. Let's see how this closes. Both trades closed, and both are winners. That's how this strategy works when you follow the rules. You won't win every single trade, but when the setup is right and you stay patient, you give yourself a real edge. Let's keep going. I'm watching for the next valid setup. 5 candles, 1 pullback, clean entry. When it forms, we'll take it. All right, here's the next setup. Look at what just formed here. 7 consecutive bullish candles, stacking one after another, climbing higher with strong momentum. And right at the top, we get 1 small red candle. That's our pullback. Notice how short it is compared to the bullish candles that came before it. The selling pressure is weak. This isn't a reversal. It's just a quick pause before the next push. This is a textbook setup. 7 bullish candles, 1 bearish pullback, and now we enter buy on the very next candle. Trade is placed. 1-minute expiry. Let's see if the buyers step back in, and there's the confirmation. The entry candle is forming, and it's pushing straight up. Look at the size of this candle. It's already bigger than the pullback that came before it. That's exactly what we want to see. The momentum never left. It just needed that one breath before continuing. This is why we don't panic when we see that opposing candle. The strategy isn't about predicting reversals. It's about recognizing when a strong trend is taking a pause, not ending. And right now, this trend is clearly still alive. The candle is still forming, but the direction is already clear. Buyers are in control. Let's see how this closes. Trade closed, and we're in profit. Look at how that entry candle closed. It stayed bullish the entire time. Let's keep going. I'm watching for the next valid setup. All right, here's another setup forming. 7 consecutive bullish candles, climbing steadily higher. The momentum is clear. Buyers have been in control for the past 7 candles straight. And right at the top, we get one red pullback candle. According to the strategy rules, this is a valid entry signal. 7 bullish candles followed by 1 bearish retracement means we take a buy trade on the very next candle. Trade is placed. 1 minute expiry. Now we wait to see if the bullish momentum continues. And this is where things get interesting. The entry candle is forming, but it's red. It's moving down, not up. The momentum we were expecting to continue has stalled, and instead, the bearish pressure is taking over. This is the reality of trading. Not every valid setup wins. The chart doesn't care that we counted 7 bullish candles. It doesn't care that the rules said this was a good entry. Sometimes the market just doesn't cooperate. Right now, this trade is heading toward a loss. And that's part of the game. Let's see how it closes. Trade closed, and it's a loss. The entry candle stayed red the entire time. The momentum we were counting on never showed up. Instead of continuation, we got reversal. So what went wrong? Honestly, nothing. The setup was valid. 7 bullish candles, 1 pullback, clear entry signal. But here's the truth about trading. Valid setups don't always work. The market doesn't owe you a win just because you followed the rules. And this is exactly why I show you both the winners and the losers. Because if I only showed you winning trades, you'd think this strategy never fails. You'd go live, hit your first loss, and think you did something wrong. But you didn't. This is just how trading works. The key is consistency. You take every valid setup, you follow the rules exactly, and over time, the wins outnumber the losses. But you have to accept that losses are part of the process. They're not failures, they're just the cost of doing business. So we move on. No revenge trading, no doubling up to get it back. We wait for the next clean setup, and we take it with the same discipline as before. That's how you stay in the game long enough to be profitable. If you've made it this far, hit that subscribe button. I post strategies like this every week. Real setups, real results, wins and losses. And if you want the full breakdown of this strategy in a printable checklist, grab the free PDF in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.